Today I'll show how to buy shares of Société Centrale Bois Scieries Manche SA and explain the steps in plain terms. Société Centrale Bois Scieries Manche SA is a French timber and sawmill company listed on Euronext with ticker CBSM.PA. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box to enter the ticker CBSM.PA and look for the Euronext listing. Make sure you select the exact match to avoid confusing similar names or markets. On the stock page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is Société Centrale Bois Scieries Manche SA. Verify the exchange shows Euronext and that the ticker reads CBSM.PA to ensure it's the correct asset. To buy, click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. Check the description for a link to the platform used as an example if you want to follow the same steps.